processed by exquisite manufacturing. Trumony Aluminum Plate is the perfect option for every customer. Adopting pristine alloy. The plate has outstanding capability of welding, forming, corrosion resistance, electrical impedance and thermal conductivity. Which corresponds to ASTM B317 specifications. Width, length, thickness, every dimension can be customized. With extensive industry experience, we are competent to successfully overcome various challenges and emergency situations. Excellent product quality comes from our meticulous attention to detail. Our excellent service is reflected by timely steady delivery, and every time customer smile. Trumony, your best heat exchange solution provider.